So the movie comes out in 1 week. That's kind of like my cutoff time for this project. That's as far as I'm trying to work on it or get it done by. This is as far as I gone. It's sad. It's weird. So instead of keep working on this, I think I'm gonna just 3D design a new body where you have the joints, and then we'll have to make a new weight for it. It shouldn't be that hard. So, or maybe it will kill me. I don't know. Let's get. So at this point, we clean all his holes. You heard me right. We got his body, calipers, and his head. But for his head, I'm not that worried. I think I'm just going to do something that goes around this lip, so I don't have to clean his hole. That's it. Now I sit down and get this done in half an hour.
The assassin.
Okay, so this is where I'm at right now, and I gave up on the project mostly because I told myself I would finish it in 1 week, and the movie comes out tonight, so not happening. But ended up with this body from Etsy, which I plan on getting inspirations from. I added this ball joints here. This one broke. The neck doesn't move yet. The arms go up and down. Let's see if I can show you this. Go up and down and around. Elbows stretch out. There's waist movement. And it can fully sit down. So I think next time what I'm going to do is have better joints on the legs because they're kind of loose. Better joints on the shoulders, kind of copy this design, and maybe some knees so he can do his cross-legged thing. The body itself I like. I may modify it to have like more movement, but as of now it does look like the child's body under the robe. I didn't finish, but I will eventually, maybe a part 2. But for now, I go back to work. We'll see. Here.